What's going up, all your real ones? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about taking the emotion out of trading crypto and NFTs because we get so emotional when it comes to these things. We're emotional creatures by habit, right? We see something, we like it, we love it, we want to do this, we want to do that. Everything's kind of based upon emotions and how you're feeling at that moment. And when it comes to trading, we want to try to take that emotion out of the trading. So I want to talk about that and how to stick to your strategies here. We're going to touch base on the psychology of a market cycle here, the Wall Street cheat sheet, real quick, so you can kind of see how the emotions play. This is still holds true just to this day because we are still people. We are making decisions on emotions. So why don't you go ahead and stick around and let's get right into it. Taking emotion out of trading, crypto, and NFTs. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about taking emotion out of trading, specifically in the world of cryptocurrency and NFTs. Did you know that over 90% of cryptocurrency traders lose their money due to emotional decision making? That's right, emotions can lead to impulsive decisions that are not based on a solid trading strategy. To be a successful trader, it is important to take emotion out of the equation and focus on your trading plan. So, what do you need to do? Well, first, you need to stick to your trading strategy. See, one of the biggest challenges with trading crypto and NFTs is the volatility of the market. It can be tempting to buy or sell based upon emotions, but it's important to stick to your strategy. This means creating a plan with a clear entry and exit points and sticking to it, even when the market is volatile. By doing this, you'll be able to make some rational decisions that are based on your strategy rather than your emotions. Also, you want to create a trading plan. Creating a trading plan is critical for taking emotion out of trading. Your plan should include your goals, your risk tolerance, a clear strategy for buying and selling. It's also important to set realistic expectations for your investments and avoid making decisions based on FOMO or FUD. Stick to your plan, even when the market is fluctuating, and make adjustments as needed. Next, you want to be able to take breaks. Overtrading can lead to emotional decision making, so it's important to take breaks and step away from the screen. This will help you avoid getting caught up in the moment and making impulsive decisions that are not based on your trading plan. Take time to recharge and come back to trading with a clear head. Next, you're going to want to avoid bidding wars. See, emotions can be also come into play with NFT trading, especially when it comes to bidding wars. It's important to set a budget for each NFT and avoid getting caught up in the hype. Remember, there's always will be another opportunity to invest in a similar NFT. So stick to your budget, make rational decisions based upon your trading plan. See, in conclusion, taking emotion out of trading is critical for success in crypto and NFT markets. You want to stick to your plan, you want to take breaks, and avoid making decisions based on emotions. Remember, success in trading takes time and practice. Don't get discouraged if you experience losses along the way. Just stay disciplined and focused on your long term goals, and you will be well on your way to becoming a successful trader in the world of cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Well, I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I wanted to touch upon this subject as many people get real emotional about everything. So when we're referencing that psychology of emotion cycle where you're going through all of the emotions all the way through the bull run and then you go all the way back down again, most everybody gets emotional and experiences that. And that's why the psychology of a market cycle is so true and stays true to this day. So I hope you had a fantastic evening tonight. Go ahead and give me a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to get some more of this kind of information. And if there's anything else that you want to talk about, hit me up in the DMs. Holla at your boy. You know my name. My name is Michael Wright. And you all have a good night.